The future of software testing, how CTFL fits in. The importance of software testing in today's world. Software testing is an essential component of the software development lifecycle. It ensures that the final product meets the desired quality standards, functions as intended, and is free of defects. What is CTFL and why is it important? CTFL is a certification designed for software testers who want to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in testing processes, agile testing, quality assurance, and more. Benefits of CTFL certification: demonstrates mastery of testing methodologies and best practices, enhances credibility and trustworthiness in the software industry, opens doors for career advancement and higher paying opportunities. How CTFL fits into the software development lifecycle. From test automation to test management, CTFL certified professionals are well versed in the latest tools and techniques needed to execute effective testing strategies throughout the software lifecycle. CTFL training and syllabus. To obtain a CTFL certification, professionals must undergo rigorous training and preparation. The CTFL course covers a wide range of topics, including test cases, test strategy, software quality, and more. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of software testing relies heavily on qualified and skilled professionals who can effectively navigate the complexities of the industry.